Ram. Today we are going to study English grammar and we begin with our new chapter today. So, before starting our new chapter, I am showing you some hints. On the behalf of this hint, you have to guess your new chapter. Okay? First, I am going to show you one picture. Now see this picture. This is the sign. You had seen that sign in many places, in many public places. Do you know which sign it is? Okay, now I am going to show you one more picture. Hope you know which sign it is. See here. Do you know which is the sign? Okay, I'm telling you about these signs. See here. This is the sign of female. This is the sign of female. F E M A L E. What it is? F E M A L E. This is the sign of female. And this is the sign of male. M A L E. Male. M A L E. Male. Okay. So, this is the sign of female and male. Whenever you see this sign, now you got that which sign it is. It is the sign of female and it is the sign of male. Okay. And what these signs describes? These signs again describe it is the sign of male and it is the sign of female. Whenever you saw a circle with an arrow, that means it is a sign of male. And whenever you saw a circle with the sign of addition or plus, that means it is the sign of female. You have see that in many places, like when we are making the row in cinemas or in many places, you have saw that sign. That means the row for the male is different and the row for the female is different. And with this chapter, you are now able to tell which is the sign of female and where is the row of female, and which is the sign of male and where is the row of male. Okay. Now, with this, I hope you know which chapter we are going to study. Okay. Let's begin with our chapter number 3, gender. Let's let's study the spelling. Gender. Repeat it with me. Gender. Gender. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, gender. Okay. Tell me one thing. Who is he? Yes, he is a boy. He is a boy. Okay, so boy comes in which category? In male or a female? Yes, boys come in the category of male. Now, who is she? She is a girl, and girls come in the category of female. So, in the category of male, all the boys, men's, and in animals, all the bulls, lion, these kind of animal, that means who are male, comes in the category of males. And in females, girls, women's, tigress, lioness. All the females come in the category of females. Okay. So, see here, who is she or who it is? It is a cow. It is a cow. And what is the male of cow? The male of cow is bull. So, bull comes in the category of male. So, cow is a female and bull is a male. That is the example of male and female or gender. Now, come to the definition. See here, gender. A gender denotes the name of a male or a female. That means a person and animals. That means gender defines if it is a male or a female. So, gender describes the two things, male and female, in person and in animals. Okay. See here. He is a man. He is a man. So, man falls in the category of male. Man falls in the category of male. Okay. And the example of female is women. Women. Okay. WOMAN. Woman. Women comes in the category of female. Okay. So, as we know, the plural of women is WOMEN. That we had read in our last chapter. Yes, in singular and plurals. So, this is the example of gender, male and female. Now, see there are generally two types of genders. Okay. One is masculine gender. Read the spelling: MASCULINE. Masculine. The meaning of masculine is male. The meaning of masculine is male. All the males come in the category of masculine. Either it is person or it is animals. Let's read the spelling of masculine again. MASCULINE. Masculine. And the another gender is feminine. FEMININE. That is female. So, all the females falls under the category of feminine. One more time, read the spelling of feminine. 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 Now, let's read about masculine and feminine. See here. Masculine gender is used to refer male member of any species. Here the meaning of species is all the categories of everyone, like it is a male, female, it is a male or person or animals. All the males falls under the category of masculine. For example, boy, man, brother, son, horse, lion, etc. all the males falls under the category of masculine. Now, let's read about feminine. Feminine gender is used to refer female member of any species. All the females falls under the category of feminine gender. For example, mistress, queen, tigress, mare. Mare is the female of horse, cow, etc. All falls under the category of, all the females falls under the category of feminine gender. Now I am going to show you the example of what is the male or the female of these. See here, masculine and the feminine. Let's read with me. Lion. Lion is the masculine, that means male. The female of lion is Lioness, lioness. Read again. Lioness, lioness. Now, masculine of actor, Actor, actor. The feminine of actor is actress, Actress, actress. Similarly, next masculine is shepherd, Sheppherd, shepherd. And the feminine of shepherd is Shepherdes. One more time. Shepherdes, shepherdess. Okay, so the next is author, Author, and the feminine of author is authoress, Authoress, authoress. Next is prince, 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 and the feminine of prince is princess, Princess, princess. Next is bachelor, 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 and the feminine of bachelor is spinster, Spinster. Repeat one more time. Spinster, spinstress. Next is boy, boy, and the feminine of boy is girl, girl. Next is bridegroom, bride, bridegroom, and the feminine of bridegroom is bride. Next is master, master, and the feminine of master is mistress, mistress. Now, next is brother. The masculine is brother, brother, and the feminine of brother is sister, sister. Similarly, next is bull, bull, and the feminine of bull is cow. Let's read once again. Lion, lion. The Female of or the feminine of lion is Lioness, lioness. Next is actor, and the feminine of actor is Actress, actress. Next is shepherd, Shepherd, shepherd. And the feminine of shepherd is shepherdess, Shepherdes. Next is author, Author, author. And the feminine of author is Authoress, authoress. Next is prince, Prince, prince. And the feminine of prince is Princess, princess. Next is bachelor, Bachelor, bachelor. And the feminine of bachelor is spinster, Spinster, spinster. Next, boy. The feminine of boy is Girl, girl. Next, bridegroom, Bridegroom, bridegroom. The feminine of bridegroom is bride. Next is master, master. And the feminine of master is mistress, mistress. Next is brother, brother. And the feminine of brother is sister, sister. Next is bull. And the feminine of bull is cow. Now see, next is our emperor, emperor. And the feminine of emperor is empress, empress. Next is monk. And the feminine of monk is nun. Similarly, next is father. And the feminine of father is mother. Next, God. And the feminine of God is Goddes. Repeat it with me. Goddes, goddess. Next is father-in-law, father, law, father-in-law. And the feminine of father-in-law is law, mother-in-law. The feminine of father-in-law is mother-in-law. Similarly, gentleman, gentleman. And the feminine of gentleman is lady. Next is duke. And the feminine of duke is duchess, duchess. Next is lord. And the feminine of lord is lady, lady. Okay, next is grandfather, grandfather. And the feminine of grandfather is very easy. What it is? Grandmother, grandmother. And next is grandson, grandson. And the Feminine of grandson is granddaughter. 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 Similarly, next is milkman. Milk. Man. Man. And the feminine of milkman is milkmaid. 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 And next is headmaster. 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 And the feminine of headmaster is headmistress. Head. Mistress. Headmistress. Next is gender. Gender. And the feminine of gender is goose. Goose. Next is tiger. Tiger. And the feminine of tiger is Tigress. Tigress. Next is hero. Hero. And the feminine of hero is heroine. Heroine. Next is host. Host. And the feminine of host is hostess. Next is waiter. Waiter. And the feminine of waiter is waitress. Waitress. So this was the masculine and feminine, or we can say all about our genders. Hope you are clear with this video and the concept of gender is clear to you. Thank you so much. Stay at your home, stay well, study well.